Hello everybody, welcome back, and today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can order a Lyft ride for someone else right there on Lyft app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply start our video now. For that purpose, let's go ahead, open our Lyft app in our mobile phone. Simply go ahead, tap on this enter pickup location. Do not turn on the precise location because that will detect yours. If you would like to book a Lyft for ride for somebody else, right, so gotta add that person's location, where is that person gonna get picked up. Go ahead at that particular location. So once you're done entering that person's pickup location, you can see the stop option as well. If you would like that person have a special requirement regarding stops, you can add it. Otherwise, destination also where you're gonna add is where that person wants to reach to. Go ahead and enter that particular destination as well, and what you can do is simply go ahead, this will show you the offers available. You can go ahead, choose it according to your need or according to that person's need. You can go to this right. Once you're done choosing in, tap on the select Lyft option, and now you can see this confirm and request, and go to this add note for driver. Here you can write that hello, like this is the number of the person that you're gonna pick up. You can write that person's name and the number, and the driver will get notified. They will pick up. If there is confusion, they can directly call and get the correct person to the correct place. Once you're done adding the note, you can go ahead, tap on this confirm and request. The request will be done and you're good to go. So this is a very easy method for you guys to do. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.